Hey, welcome to the next series of the Stop Anxiety Quick Solutions. All right, now I made these videos so that you can take this information that I do in about a minute to two and apply it today to start experiencing a reduction of your anxiety levels. So the tip for today is very simple. Reduce your technology exposure. Now, I love technology. I'm using technology right now. It's got so many great benefits and so many great things it's done for us. But just like anything else, when we use too much of something, it can have some negative effects. And using a lot of technology, specifically our phones and computers, laptops, etc., doing it too much makes us more stressed out. It also changes different hormones in our brains, and when we have imbalances and fluctuations that go up and down of those hormones and those chemicals in our brain, we experience anxiety. All right. Also, the second part is what I mentioned previously. It increases our stress, and anytime we have increased amounts of stress, we are also more susceptible to experiencing anxiety. So quick solution, you guys need to try it. I'm sure you're smart enough to already know. I hope this was a great reminder for you. Try to reduce your technology exposure day by day, and I can guarantee you that you'll experience less anxiety. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this quick anxiety solution series. I will see you guys on the next one, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day.